A prophecy foretold over 1400 years ago is unfolding before our eyes, but most Muslims are completely unaware. The world is changing fast. But what if I told you these changes were foretold centuries ago, a prophecy unfolding right before our eyes? Are you ready? What if I told you that the signs of the end times are happening right now, in the very lands where Islam began? Are you ready? 1. The shocking signs unfolding now. Before you dismiss this, let me show you undeniable proof from Hadith and Quran. Across the Muslim world, strange events are taking place, events that directly match the prophecies from the Quran and Hadith. Did you know that Prophet Muhammad warned about great wars in the Middle East before the end of time? And today, we see Muslim nations in endless conflict. Sign number 1, the War of Tribes in Muslim lands. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "Near the day of judgment, there will be great wars between Muslims, and their blood will flow like rivers." Sunan Ibn Majah, 3952. Look at what's happening in Palestine, Syria, Yemen, Sudan. The Muslim Ummah is divided like never before. Could this be the war that the Prophet, peace be upon him, warned us about? And if so, what comes next? Why, every Muslim must know this before 2025. Sign number 2, natural disasters, increasing in Muslim lands. The Prophet said, "Before the hour comes, earthquakes will increase." Sahih Bukhari 1036. Just this year alone, we have seen record-breaking floods in Pakistan, deadly earthquakes in Turkey and Morocco, and droughts in the Arabian Peninsula, exactly where Islam was born. Is this just a coincidence? Or are we watching Allah's warnings unfold before us? And if these signs are already here, what happens next? What has Allah planned for us? The most shocking hadith. This hadith predicted our future. The proof is shocking. Sign number 3, the great battle coming, Malhama Kubra. The Prophet warned that a massive war will happen between Muslims and non-Muslims right before the end times. He said, "You will make a peace treaty with the Romans, and together you will fight a common enemy. But then a great betrayal will happen, and a war will erupt between you." Sunan Abu Dawud, 4292. Today, we see new alliances forming in the Middle East. But what happens when these alliances are betrayed? Will the world witness the Malhama Kubra, the greatest war of the end times? Something big is coming, and the question is, are you ready? 4. The final warning. What must Muslims do? My brothers and sisters, these prophecies are not just stories. They are warnings from our beloved Prophet. Allah is giving us signs, but many are ignoring them. What should you do now? Strengthen your connection with the Quran and Sunnah. Unite as an ummah. Do not let division weaken us. Prepare spiritually and mentally for what's coming next. Call Muslims to wake up and take action. Use 3 simple solutions. Educate yourself, learn, and share knowledge. Unite as an ummah. Stop divisions. Support each other. Prepare spiritually. Strengthen your faith, salah, and connection with Allah. You are not powerless. The Prophet, PBUH, gave us the answers. It's time to act. The final question remains, are you ready for what's coming? If you found this video eye-opening, then you need to watch this next video, Trump's Plan, a Nightmare for Muslims. It exposes the hidden threats against Islam today. And before you leave, subscribe to NOOR-AL-FIKR for more powerful insights on Islamic prophecies, and share this with every Muslim you know. May Allah guide us all and prepare us for what's ahead. Assalamu alaikum.